All right, man, we're recording.
This is Desmond, DC, the author of the Black Carpenter's Guide. Right now, we're putting the beam up because we had to raise the ceiling. So I got all that. I got all the joists. I got the joists up there. I cut the ceiling joists flush with the 2x4s, and we're about to put this supporting post in right now. So, hold that. Let me hit it with the hammer. Right there. Of course, you were fighting me out. Kidding me?
Yeah.
Fucker. There you go. Not looking that right. You see that level? Put the level on there. Put the level on the front. Yeah. Tell me which way I need to go.
Well, we'll get it right on the mark. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah. That's nice right here. Okay, take it the other way. Put it on the side. You're way too far back, bro. Way too far back. Nobody can see anything from way over there.
Oh.
Beautiful, right there.
Yeah, nice.
Okay, double check the front one more time.
Okay. Right on the mark.
Let me see. Because I'm going to shoot it with the nail. No, it's not. The top needs to come my way. All right, let me climb up on this ladder. Okay. It has to be right on the money though, because I'm about to shoot it with the nail.
It is? You can see it.
Yeah. Right. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna shoot the top.
All right.
And then you're gonna shoot the bottom.
Okay.
Twist it a little bit. Wait, bro. Get your hammer. You got your hammer with you?
Yeah.
Straighten that bottom out a little bit. It's flush with that bottom plate. Tap the corner. Exactly. Nice and easy. Until it's flush with the plate. Okay, nail it. When it's flush, nail it. But make sure it's completely flush all the way around. That looks pretty good. Let me see the levels so I can check one more time. We are
Kind of a torque.
okay. Go ahead and shoot that.
No, not
Okay, go
yet.
ahead.
Now we're good.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead and shoot it. So yeah, once again, Desmond, the author of the Black Carpenter's Guide. We had to raise the ceiling because we have an HVAC unit going in here. There wasn't enough room, so we had to butt the ceiling up. We had to put a supporting beam and post. So that's what I just did. Thanks for tuning in. Once again, this is your boy DC, the author of the Black Carpenter's Guide. If you want more information about my videos, check me out on YouTube, the Black Carpenter's Guide. If you want to purchase my book, the Black Carpenter's Guide on Amazon.com. You turn it off. Thanks, bro.